A lone adventurer, cloaked in shadows, ventured into the dark woods under the pale glow of the moon. His only companion was his loyal giant dog, whose presence was both comforting and protective. Together, they navigated the dense forest, each step a testament to their unyielding bond and the adventurer's unwavering courage. As they settled by a flickering campfire, the night seemed to embrace them with a serene silence. The crackling flames cast dancing shadows, creating an illusion of safety amidst the wilderness. Suddenly, the tranquility was shattered as a massive bear emerged from the darkness, its eyes gleaming with a primal hunger, threatening their peaceful respite. Without a moment's hesitation, the adventurer sprang to his feet, his heart pounding with adrenaline. With a fierce war cry that echoed through the trees, he charged at the bear, fearless and resolute. The forest became a battleground, as man and beast clashed in a primal dance of survival, each move a testament to the adventurer's indomitable spirit. In an awe-inspiring display of raw strength and bravery, the adventurer overpowered the bear, his hands becoming instruments of his victory. The bear, once a formidable foe, lay defeated, a testament to the adventurer's prowess and determination. The forest once again fell silent, acknowledging the triumph of the lone warrior. Resourceful and skilled, the adventurer honored the fallen bear by crafting an impressive set of armor from its hide. Each piece was meticulously fashioned, a tribute to the bear's strength and the adventurer's ingenuity. The armor, both a shield and a symbol, marked the adventurer as a warrior of unparalleled courage. With the dawn breaking, the adventurer returned home, his heart filled with pride and his spirit unbroken. He was eager to share his epic tale with his beloved wife, Crimsy, whose love was his greatest treasure. As he approached their home, he knew that his journey had not only made him a fearless warrior, but had also deepened the bond with those he cherished most.